Post-COVID-19 supply chain adjustment in hospitality. Introduction. The initial outbreak of COVID-19 saw widespread shutdowns of manufacturing units and transportation system across the globe. Hospitality business which often rely on international suppliers for food products, linens, cleaning supply and other essentials, experienced severe delay and shortage. These disruptions force hospitality managers to reseize their supply chain strategies. Many establishments turn to local suppliers to reduce lead times and dependency on international logistics, even if that mean higher cost of limited product range. The localization of supply chains become a key adaptations to maintain operational continually. What happened to supply chain adjustment in hospitality due to COVID-19? First, buying local suppliers. Hotels and restaurants started buying more from local business because global deliveries were delayed. Second, smart smarter inventory. They stopped buying in bulk and started ordering only that they needed to avoid waste during lockdown. And the last one is new safety item needed. Things like sanitizer and cleaning supplies because must have to new suppliers were added. Tap into the supply chain adjustment hospitality due to COVID-19. More technology use, digital tools help to track inventory management order and offer contracted service to guests. Planning for the future. Business learn to prepare better for the emergencies, using multiple suppliers and choosing eco-friendly options. How can we aid this problem? Diversity suppliers. Don't rely on just one supplier. Use multiple sources to avoid disruptions. Build location, build local partnership. Working with nearby suppliers reduces shipping and supports local economies. Focus on sustainability. Choose eco-friendly suppliers and reduce waste to build long-term stability. Monitoring risks regularly. Keep an eye on the global and local events that might affect supply chains and plan ahead. Conclusion. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed major weaknesses in the hospitality industry's supply chains, but it also created an opportunity for transformation by adapting local sourcing, digital tools, flexible planning, and sustainable practices. Hospitality businesses have become more resilient and better prepared for future disruptions. The key lesson is clear: adaptability, preparedness, and innovation are essentials for a strong and reliable supply chains in the face of uncertainty.